The Xperia VII features a 6.5-inch 4K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 643 pixels per inch. The brand new Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 Elite chipset, 12GB of RAM, with options for 256GB or 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. A triple camera setup powered by Sony's latest XMORT sensors, including a groundbreaking 70-up-to 200mm variable telephoto lens, a 5000 mAh battery with 30W wired and 15W wireless charging, Android 15 out of the box, and of course, it's still rocking the 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. This is a true 4K panel, not a marketing gimmick, but a real UHD display packed into your pocket. The refresh rate can now dynamically adjust from 1Hz to 120Hz thanks to LTPO technology, giving you buttery smooth scrolling when needed and incredible power savings when displaying static content. When it comes to design, the Xperia VII is 161.9mm tall, 74.5mm wide, and 8.5mm thick, making it sleek, light, and comfortable to hold, despite its powerhouse specs. And speaking of finishes, you can choose between black, purple, and a new, elegant khaki green. The frame is aluminum, the back is frosted Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the device is IP68 rated for water and dust resistance. The Xperia VII is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 Elite chipset. This is a serious upgrade over the previous generation, offering 25% faster CPU speeds, 30% better GPU performance, and 20% greater efficiency, paired with 12GB of RAM. This phone absolutely flies through tasks, whether you're multitasking, editing 4K video, offering features like customizable refresh rates, performance modes, live streaming tools, and even GPU frame interpolation for smoother gameplay. The camera system setup includes a 24mm wide lens with a 48MP XMORT sensor, a 16mm ultra-wide lens with another 48MP sensor, and the star of the show, a variable telephoto lens that shifts smoothly from 70mm to 200mm, offering true optical zoom throughout that entire range. This is a massive leap over traditional fixed zoom lenses, giving photographers unparalleled flexibility without compromising on image quality. Sony also continues to emphasize professional features: 20 frames per second burst shooting with full autofocus and auto exposure, native support for RAW shooting, and 4K 120 frames per second video recording across all three lenses. With a 5000 mAh battery, charging speeds remain conservative at 30W wired and 15W wireless. Sony also promises 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Sony has also tightened its PlayStation ecosystem integration, allowing PS Remote Play at up to 120 frames per second, and even native DualSense controller compatibility without the need for extra apps. Price: the Xperia VII will retail for around $1,399 in the US and similar in Europe after taxes.